In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Begin by pinching your device's display. Now select icons at the bottom, located between wallpapers and widgets. Then operate the slider under icon to adjust them and check out preview at the top. When you finished, hit apply to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!